Hello, welcome to AI Factory. Meet Joe, a 20-year-old American college student who turned his passion into profit with remarkable ease. Leveraging AI tools, Joe crafted an ebook that catapulted him into the entrepreneurial spotlight. In just 6 months, he earned an impressive $200,000. And within a year, his sales skyrocketed past $1 million. His journey didn't stop at earnings. He also secured nearly $200,000 in capital profits. Joe openly shares his journey and strategies on TikTok and YouTube, revealing the secrets of his success.
I'm 20 and I've already made $200K. If there's anybody that knows about getting rich quickly, it's me. So here's what I do. Make a book with AI, upload it to WAP, and then market on Pinterest ads.
His method, creating captivating ebooks using AI and skillfully promoting them through Pinterest ads, which significantly boosted his orders. Keep an eye on Joe. His unreserved sharing of entrepreneurial experiences and success tips is inspiring a new generation of digital entrepreneurs. Discover the power of AI in self-publishing. Currently on Amazon, there are hundreds of ebooks created using ChatGPT, and their authors are generating revenue at virtually no upfront cost. This trend is global, with many people utilizing ChatGPT to craft online articles, short plays, and scripts. In today's digital age, you don't need to be a writer or a designer to create your own ebook and start earning. There's no need for startup capital either. In today's video, I'll guide you through a detailed breakdown of how to create and sell your own ebook. You'll get an in-depth look at the entire process, from conception to execution. Make sure to watch until the end to catch all the essential details and tips. In the Kindle ebooks section on Amazon, prices for these ebooks range from 99 cents to over $10, with sales figures spanning from a few hundred to tens of thousands of copies. For instance, consider an ebook priced at just 99 cents that sold over 12,700 copies, generating more than $10,000 in revenue. Another example ebook priced at $2.99, which has achieved sales of 70,000 copies, earning nearly $200,000. The potential revenue from this business model is impressively high, and the best part, costs nothing to start. Even beginners can jump in using mainstream AI tools to create content in bulk, enabling the possibility of earning from home without a traditional job. Now, let's cut to the chase and dive into the practical steps you need to start creating and selling your own ebooks. Step 1. Choose the right niche and topic. As we know, compelling content is crucial for attracting readers, and this is especially true for ebooks. There are several strategies to help you pinpoint relevant topics. For instance, you can browse Amazon's book homepage to see what's selling best or explore specific categories like children's storybooks, self-improvement guides, emotional wellness books, or romance novels, all of which are consistently popular. Alternatively, you could consult ChatGPT to get recommendations and gain creative insights into potential themes. Besides considering what sells, think about your own interests and areas of expertise. After all, passion is a key driver of productivity. Creating content in a field you're passionate about can lead to better results with less effort. Next, let's proceed with an example. Using the successful ebook 12 Rules of Life, An Antidote to Chaos as our reference, we'll demonstrate how to create a similar product. Let's craft an ebook focused on mindfulness, encompassing mind, body, and spirit, a meditation guide. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to generate ebook content in batches. First, open ChatGPT and ask it to suggest an eye-catching title for your book. ChatGPT will quickly provide multiple options, which you can benchmark against successful ebooks. If you want to incorporate elements from a specific ebook you've referenced, consider including numbers and solutions in the title for added impact. If you need more options, just ask ChatGPT to continue generating titles. It will promptly offer additional choices. For example, a title like 10-Minute Mindfulness, Daily Self-Care and Meditation Practices is straightforward and appealing. After selecting the theme and title, we can proceed to generate specific chapter content. Using our chosen theme and titles as a basis, ask ChatGPT to create an outline. ChatGPT quickly provides a detailed outline that includes an introduction to the benefits of meditation and guidance on how to use the ebook. It begins with the fundamentals of meditation and progresses to specific daily exercises, advancing step by step. On this foundation, you can enhance the content by adding more specialized meditation techniques and tips, particularly for beginners. Continuing with ChatGPT, I had it generate additional content for this section. Shortly after, it produced several practical tips for specific scenarios in Chapter 4. The completeness of this outline is impressive, and it's generated swiftly, eliminating the need for us to painstakingly brainstorm on our own. This completes the outline portion of the ebook. Next, I had ChatGPT expand on the content for the introduction and Chapter 1. If I'm unsatisfied with any part along the way, I can easily ask ChatGPT to make adjustments at any time. It's quite straightforward, isn't it? For the remaining chapters, we can apply the same method to replicate the process. ChatGPT will generate the corresponding ebook content for us. Our role is primarily to manage the overall flow of the writing, making adjustments wherever necessary. By following this approach, we can essentially complete the content of the entire ebook in just one day. Step 3. Use Canva to design the book layout. Once you have your ebook content ready, the next step involves designing and typesetting. Thanks to AI technology, this task is straightforward even for beginners. Start by opening Canva and typing ebooks into the search box. Then select a template from the options presented. Canva offers a wide range of appealing templates, so many that you might even find it difficult to choose just one. To refine your search, add self-care to the search box, and you'll find templates that are more suited to our content's theme. Canva provides both free and paid materials, allowing everyone to choose according to their needs. After exploring various design platforms, Canva's extensive library of materials stands out as especially user-friendly for beginners. Even the free resources offer excellent design quality. Set the cover for the ebook using materials related to body, mind, and soul. I found a meditation-themed cover image that caught my eye, but it turned out to be a paid option. No worries, though, as there are plenty of similar images available. I came across a free design template that really stood out. It features a clean and simple layout that's perfect for a cover. I clicked on it to enter the editing page, where all the materials can be directly edited. Every content element and design feature can be adjusted and modified. I then updated the title and subtitle using the text generated by ChatGPT. The small text at the top typically represents the author. I entered AI Factory here, but you can modify or remove it as needed, using some engaging copywriting to catch the reader's eye. On the left, the material library offers numerous matching full-text templates. Let's select a lighter template for the inner pages. Once clicked, you'll see the entire design set. Start by adding a directory and inputting the chapter content generated by GPT. The template initially provides a table of contents for 4 chapters, but I need to add more. There are 3 ways to do this. Use the same page from the inner page template, add a blank page, and then copy and paste the chapter content into it, or duplicate the previous page. Next, update the chapter numbers and content accordingly. For the body of the text, choose a template that fits your style, paste in the prepared text, and adjust the typesetting, font sizes, and alignment. If our text layout is relatively fixed, you can simply use the copy button to duplicate the formatting and paste it page by page from ChatGPT. By repeating these steps, we can easily create a complete ebook. Once finished, review the content for formatting consistency and any typos. To finalize, click Share in the upper right corner, then select Download to save your document. Choose PDF as the format for export and save it. And there you have it, a professionally crafted ebook ready to go. If you plan to upload your ebook to a specific platform, it's important to check the platform's format requirements beforehand. For instance, Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, recommends using the Word format. Step 4. List it online for sale. Ebooks are highly sought after virtual products. I'll briefly introduce some accessible paths and promotion methods for converting online sales that are suitable for the average person. Take, for example, the platform Gumroad. Here, you can sell a variety of virtual products including science fiction novels, audio comics, educational courses, AI prompt word design templates, and films. The platform has a literary and fresh vibe with a creative atmosphere. If you're interested in writing novels or comics, Gumroad could be a great option for you. Another platform to consider is ClickBank, a virtual product affiliate marketing platform established in 1998. ClickBank boasts a rich history and extensive experience in the industry, attracting a large user base. It offers a diverse range of product categories including health and fitness, financial investments, personal development, education, entertainment, and more. Unlike Gumroad, which has a more niche focus, ClickBank provides a more comprehensive selection. A leading platform dedicated to selling ebooks is Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. Ebooks are formatted specifically for Kindle and made available directly on Amazon, where consumers can easily purchase them. Other platforms include Google Play Books and Kobo eBooks, Kobo Writing Life, both of which allow you to publish and sell ebooks. With the right tools and strategies, anyone can use AI to start and maintain a successful online business. Do you like this video? If you found it helpful, please support me by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. I would love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.